Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I wanna show you some beautiful and rare Grandidierite from Madagascar. These are very rare and very beautiful. I found some crystals and I want to show you. So please stay tuned with us for more upcoming beauties, and please do not forget subscribe button. Thank you. Wow, check this beautiful specimen. Very beautiful color. Check this one. Gorgeous species. Beauty. Look at this one. Their color, their beauty. This one is crystal. Beautiful crystal. These are two pieces. Wow. Dark greenish blue color. Very beautiful. These are very rare. Check this beauty. This one is also specimen. With beautiful mica. This one is combined with mica. Here is also mica. And here is Grandidierite. Wow, check this one. These are beauty. Look at this one. This one is smaller one, but very cute. These are natural beauties. Grandidierite is my favorite stone. These are also my collection. I collect from Madagascar these beauties. Also, I have a bigger size Grandidierite as well. I have bigger size Grandidierite as well. But another video, I will make another video with bigger size Grandidierite. I have so many Grandidierite, and also I have so many more rare items. Chrysoberyl, rhodozite, so many lazulite. I have so many beauties. I want to make videos and then share with you guys. Wow, very beautiful color and very beautiful structure and beautiful crystal and specimens. Check, this one is lost one, lost beauty. I have 15 pieces in this lot, and also I have more. I will make a video and then share with my YouTube channel. If anyone interested in my stone, so please comment me. These are total 15 pieces. So thank you for joining us, and thank you for watching my video, and please like and share, and do not forget subscribe button. Thank you.